Today, I'll walk you through how to upgrade your Snapchat account to a business account, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a business account on Snapchat so you can start leveraging its powerful marketing tools. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Fubbuznus Snapchat.com. This is the official site where you can set up your business account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the page as it will guide you through the process. Once you're on the site, look for the button that says Get Started. This is your gateway to transforming your personal Snapchat account into a business one. Clicking this button will lead you to the next step in the process. Now you'll need to fill out a form with the necessary details about your business. This typically includes your business name, email address, and other relevant information. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The form may vary based on your location or the type of business you're registering. As you complete the form, you'll also be asked to provide information about the country your business is based in and the currency you wish to use. This step is crucial, as it helps Snapchat tailor its services to your specific needs. Once you've filled out all the required information, simply submit the form. After a brief moment, your business account will be created, and you'll be ready to explore Snapchat's business features. Congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your Snapchat account to a business account. This opens up a world of opportunities for marketing and connecting with your audience in a more professional way. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.